So hello guys, so the topic today is about empirical and molecular formula. So this topic is under to the chemistry for engineers. So a compound of nitrogen and oxygen has the composition of 1.52 grams of N. So sulat na natin yan. 1.52 grams for N, the nitrogen, and 3.47 grams of oxygen. So oxygen yun guys. 3.47. Wait. O is equals to 3.47 grams for oxygen. So the molar mass of this compound is known to be 95. So mamaya natin gagamitin yan. So yung the molar mass daw of this compound is to be 90 and 95. So max niya is 95. So determine the molecular formula and the molar mass of the compound. Note that the nitrogen has a 14 grams per mole. Ito yung mga weight nila, molar mass, guys. And oxygen is 16 grams per mole. So, yung una natin gagawin, guys, is convert natin ito into mole. So, 1.52 grams for nitrogen. So, sulat natin dito. N is equals to 1.52 grams for nitrogen times to the 1 mole. Ang 1 mole is katumbas niya ng 14 grams per mole. Then, the oxygen, guys, is equals to 3.47 from the given. Multiply natin na 16 grams per mole. So, ang 1 mole ay katumbas niya ng 16 grams per mole for the oxygen. So, i-calculate nyo lang yan, guys. So, 1.52 times 1 all over 14. So, this will be equals to what? 0.109. And then yung sa isa, guys, is equals to what? 3.47 times to 1 all over 16. And this will be equals to 0.217. Gets, guys? So, in terms of mole na sila. So, kinonvert lang natin into mole. Gets? So, next natin gagawin, guys, to get the empirical formula, guys, kukunin natin pinakamababa. Ano ba yung pinakamababa? Ito bang 0.109 or 0.217? So, yung pinakamababa is 0.109. So, the N is equals to 0.109. Divide lang natin sila sa lahat. And pati ang oxygen is equals to 0.217. Divide natin sa pinakamababa. Then, equate na natin sila. So, 0.0, this will be equals to 1. And then sa isa, and this will be equals to 1.99. So, gusto natin dito is always full number. So, this will be equals to 2. So, the empirical formula for this one is equals to, ang N natin ilan? Ang N is naglalaman ng isa, and ang O is dalawa. So, this will be our empirical formula. Empirical formula to. Empirical formula. So, eto yun, guys. Sa mga nagtatanong saan galing itong 2, is galing siya dito. And ang N is galing naman siya dito. Eto yun, oh. Gets. So, the answer is equals to NO2. Gets, guys? So, the next question is determine the molecular formula. Ito yung molecular formula, guys. To get the molecular formula, iba yung molecular formula sa empirical formula. So, to get that, guys, ang una natin gagawin is that meron tayong 95 grams na max number siya, guys, sa 95. So, in which kukunin muna natin itong empirical molar mass. Ano ba yung empirical molar mass? Molar mass to. So, ang empirical molar mass, so, naglalaman siya ng 14. Isa lang yun na guys, 14 plus the oxygen is 16 kaso naka 2. So, 2 times 16. So, calculate nyo lang yan. 14 plus 2 multiply sa 16. This will be equals to 46. Ang molar mass ng empirical formula. Empirical formula, molar mass. Gets guys? So, 46 siya. Next natin gagawin guys, to get the molecular formula is that the formula for this one is molecular molar mass all over empirical molar mass. Yan guys. So ano ba yung molar mass natin? Is from the given is 95. All over the empirical molar mass is 46. So 95 divided by 46 and this will be equals to 2. 2 siya guys. Pero yung nakalagay sa calculate nyo is 2.07. 2.07. Pero ang gusto natin dito is always whole number. So 2 siya guys. Dahil 2 siya guys, to get the molecular formula, ito yung molecular formula, which is yung una natin is NO2. Then close parenthesis mo lang guys, input na yun 2 dito, which is the molecular formula. Then distribute lang natin siya guys. So N2O4. So this will be our molecular formula. So ito na yung molecular formula na then guys gets. So the next question is that determine the molar mass of the compound. So ano ba yung molar mass nito? So yung N natin is, baba natin. Yung N, to get the molar mass of the compound guys, yung N natin is 2 at may 14 grams per mole siya. Then ang O natin is naglalaman ng 16, then 4. So 2 multiplied to 14 plus 16 times 4 and this will be equals to 92. 92 ang molar mass compound natin. Guys, gets? So the pan is one of the components of smoke. It is a compound of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Determine the percent composition of oxygen and the empirical formula. So first, determine the percent composition of an oxygen. And the empirical formula. Empirical formula from the following percent composition by mass. So, what is the molecular formula given that this molar mass is 241? Molecular formula is, the molar mass is 241 guys. So, iba ang empirical formula sa molecular formula. Kumbaga sa molecular formula, yun yung may subscript siya dito guys. Dito yun, yung 2 kanina dito. Siya yung molecular formula. Yung i-distribute natin. Siya yun. So first is that determine the percent composition of oxygen. So from the following percent composition, ang carbon natin is 19.8%, while the hydrogen natin is naglalaman ng 2.50% guys. And next eto yun. Ang nitrogen natin is naglalaman ng 11.6%. Gets? So, and ang O natin is hindi pa natin alam. So, to identify the O, guys, ang 19, so always tayo magbe-base sa 100 grams. So, ang 19.8 guys, so 100. Ang 100, multiply natin siya sa, ang 19.8% is 0.198 is equals to 19.8 grams. While din sa naman sa isa, 100 times ang 2.50 guys is equals to what? So, 2.50, wait, is equals to what? 0.0250 is equals to 2.5 grams. So, ang N natin is, kinuha ko lang ang grams nila guys. Wait. N natin is 100 multiply sa, ang 11.6 guys is equals to, multiply natin yan sa 0.116 is equals to 11.6 grams. Gets guys? So, ang O natin, to get the O guys, 100, yun yung base natin. Minus natin, pag-add lang natin lahat to, 19.8 plus 2.5 grams plus 11.6 grams. So, 100 minus 19.8 plus 2.5 plus 11.6. So, ang oxygen natin is nagko-compose ng 66.1 grams. Gets? So, 66.1 grams siya. 66.1 grams. Palilitan na natin itong ng grams. Grams. Gets, guys? So, next, determine the percent composition of the oxygen and the molecular formula from the following percent composition. So, first muna natin, hanapin muna natin empirical formula. So, to get the empirical formula, guys, ang 19.8 grams natin, i-multiply natin yan sa, gawin muna natin sila na mole. So, ang oxygen is composed of 16 grams per mole. 1 mole, dito na lang, 19.8 times 16 grams per mole, 1 mole. While the hydrogen is 2.5 grams times 2. Oxygen is 1 grams per mole and then 1 mole. While the nitrogen 11.6 grams times the nitrogen is 14 grams per mole then 1 mole. While the oxygen is 66.1 grams times 2, oxygen is 16 grams per mole. Oh. So this will be a what? 16 grams per mole sa isang 1 mole. So equals lang natin sila lahat, guys. So 19.8 times to 1 all over. So ang ito ay 12 grams per mole. 19.8 times 1 all over 12 is equals to 1.65. Dito naman sa 2.50 times to 1 is equals to 2.5 pa rin. Ang 11.6 times to 1 all over 14 is equals to what? 0.83. And ang 66.1 times to 1 all over 16, 4.13. So, next natin gagawin, pipiliin natin yung pinakamaliit, guys. So, 0.83. Ang 1.65 is divide natin siya sa 0.83 niyan. Lahat sila. So, ano yung sagot, guys? 1.65 divided sa 0.83. This will be equals to 1.98. Or approximately, dapat whole number is 2. So, next is 2.5 divided sa 0.83. this equals to 3. While the 0.83 is 1 na lang to, ang 4.13 divided 0.83 is equals to 4.97 or 5. 4.98 or approximately 5. So, may 2 na tayo, may 3 tayo, may 1 and may 1 and may 5. So, the empirical formula guys, is C natin is 2. Ito yun. Ang H natin is 3. Ito yun. Ang N natin, naglalaman ng 1. Kahit hindi na natin sulat yung 1. And ang O natin is may 5. So, this will be the empirical formula guys ha. Gets? So, next naman may pinapahanap guys is yung sana yung percent composition of an oxygen guys. Gets? So para mahanap naman yung percent composition of an oxygen guys, is that etong 66.1 grams guys, which is nasa 5. So, pwede naman itong 66.1 grams as a percent, guys. Pero, para mas maintindihan nyo, guys, ang oxygen is nagko-contains ng 5. 5 multiply sa 16. 16 grams per mole. All over, the total molar mass nito, guys, is equals to what? C is 12. Ang 12 natin is may 2. Plus, ang H natin is may naglalaman ng 1. Plus, ang N natin is 14. Plus, ang O natin is may 5. So, 12 multiply sa 2 plus 3 plus 14 plus 5, 16. So, meron siyang 121 grams per mole. So, 5 multiply sa 16. So, 5 times 16 and over 121, ang makukuha natin dyan is 0.66. Then, multiply natin sa 100 to get the percentage, and this will be equals to 66.1% of an oxygen. So, percent of an oxygen. Ito yun. And the empirical formula nakuha na rin. So, what is the molecular formula given that its molar mass is 241? So, to get the molecular formula, so molar mass over the empirical formula, molar mass. So, 241 ang given natin for the molar mass over the empirical molar mass is what? 121. Ito yun. Total nito is 1 to 1. So, 241 divided 121 is equals to 1.99 or 2. So, 2 siya guys. So, C2H3 and O5 is multiply lang natin sa 2. So, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. This will be H equals to 6. N is equals to 2. O is equals to 10. So, ito yung molecular formula natin. Molecular formula. Gets? So, thank you for watching. Goodbye.